Here we have a 2021 Ford Transit Custom. It's fitted with a 2-litre diesel engine and got roughly 59,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this van today, we're going to be changing the air filter, which is located in this plastic box here. Doesn't look too bad to do. Right, to save straining anything, I think I'll unplug this. Just pull that little white tab up, and there should be a little bit to push in somewhere down there. That's it. So slide the white tab out and actually press the end of the white tab. Lifts up the arm. I'll take that pipe off as well, which looks like it's just got 2 little buttons either side. That's it. Just squeeze those together. We've got one clip there, another one there, one there, one there. Hopefully this will just lift up. If I can get hold of the air filter. I might actually take the top right off of this box. There's only the one more hose left there. And then it'll give us a better chance of cleaning the airbox out as well. So you've just got these pegs which locate in slots at the back of the airbox. So as you put it back in at an angle, drop it down, and that forms a seal around the air filter. Yeah, doesn't look like that one's been changed. It's probably the original one. And as you can see, quite a bit of debris in there. Leaves and moths and things. So it's a good idea while you've got the thing apart to give that a clean out, but make sure nothing goes down here. So I'll block that off. I'll just put a bit of blue roll across that. Yeah, there's the new air filter. As you can see, quite a bit of difference there. This isn't a genuine Ford air filter, it's an aftermarket one, which you should be able to pick up under £20. So the best way to clean this out would be with a vacuum cleaner, really. Hopefully we can get all of that out. Yeah, quite a mucky one that, although I have seen them actually fill up with acorns and bits and pieces where rodents have been in there. So anyway, we've got that out, so next we'll go ahead and get the new air filter in. It's a nice snug fit. Right, so we need to locate these tabs back in the slots at the back. That's it. What's happened there? It's down there. Clips on and then push your little white tab in. And we've got the pipe down here somewhere. There it is. And nip up that Jubilee clip. And that's it, one air filter fitted. Not too difficult a job.